Stolzberg, and we're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Giovanni.
So we're making pulled pork sliders,
Yes.
all right? I'm gonna make nice deep scores. Now we're gonna take a little bit of Dijon mustard, heavy coat of barbecue seasoning on this. You want a roasting pan with a lid, preferably, and you take this and you throw it right in. This is apple cider vinegar, and you just want to throw it in all the way around. Put a lid on, 325 degrees for 3.5 hours.
Nice.
And just forget about it.
Forget about it. Just go sit, relax.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
So now all I'm doing is taking it apart and pulling just like that. You see how easy it breaks apart? And really, the oven did all the work. We didn't do much. I didn't break a sweat. But take this, and dump that all in. Barbecue sauce.
Get in there.
Give it a little mix.
Get in there.
Yeah. This is a game day classic right here.
Yes. Gotta do the coleslaw.
Gotta do the coleslaw. We'll do a pickle on each. And there you go, Lil.
Love it. Couldn't be easier. So if you'd like to try it, head to our website, news12.com. You will find the recipe there. Gotta make this for game day. Thanks, Giovanni.
Thank you, Lil.